everybody, welcome back to Tip Top Tips. Today we're going to be explaining the difference between each and every.
Oh, Tip Top's got the tips.
Okay, welcome to my Tip Top classroom. Guys, meet my student, Beatrice.
Hi, Nick.
Hi.
Hi.
Now, Beatrice has a question for me.
What's the difference between every and each?
Okay, so each focuses on individuals within a group of two or more, whereas every is used to describe all of the individuals in a group of three or more. We can't say every when there are only two. Every refers to the collection, all of the individuals in the group. Let me explain it a little bit better for you.
Yes, I need some examples
Okay,
to remember.
so when we're using each, we could say Nick has a tattoo on each wrist, meaning individually. I don't have tattoos, but on each wrist, this one and this one. We're focusing on the individual ones, okay? We could also say that I bought a gift for each of my colleagues. So I bought one gift for this person, one gift for this person. It's for the individuals within the group.
Okay.
When we're looking at every, we could say Nick has a ring on every finger. I mean, I don't. But meaning all of the fingers. None of them are forgotten. I have lots of fingers in my group of fingers on my hands. But if I say every, it means all of them. Okay? None are left out. So our focus here is on all of the group, all of the individuals in the group. The boss bought a present for all of the staff at the company. Nobody was forgotten, nobody was left out. All of the individuals, so every.
Thank you so much. Now I really understood the difference. It's not as difficult as I thought.
I'm glad.
So guys, if I understood this, you might understand this as well.
And if you do, please give us a like. Think about subscribing to our channel for lots more fun content, and maybe Beatrice will wear her hair in pigtails again. And
only if I'm a student and learning.
Okay. In the meantime, guys, take care and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top, oh, Tip Top's got the tips.